And now it's time to join public address announcer Mark Allen and the opening ceremonies for the 2008 Chevrolet Cup at Seafair.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the opening ceremonies, the 2008 Chevrolet Cup at Seafair, the 58th unlimited hydroplane race on the Ted Jones Racecourse on Lake Washington. Right at the start-finish line, our MH-60 helicopter with the American flag, Old Glory, flying. You'll notice a young man suspended below the flag. That's Petty Officer Christopher Wedding, and he is there to help stabilize the American flag. Now please rise as we honor America with the playing of the Star-Spangled Banner, and remain standing as we honor our competitor from Canada, Jean Thierret, with the playing of O Canada. Thank you. Pilots today for our NAS Whidbey Island MH-60 helicopter, Lieutenant James Udall and Lieutenant Bruce Casey, Cruise Chief, Petty Officer Chad Lewis. Now, let's go boat racing.
All right, Mark Allen, thank you very much. And thank you for the very stirring opening ceremonies here. We're just about to set to go racing.